Hello and welcome back to my channel Create with Lulu. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a really cute birthday or party theme in your bullet journal. Also, a special thing about today's video is it is a collaboration with SIXQJZML. I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but her channel is super fun. She has a really cute February plan with me that recently came out, and you should totally check it out and maybe give her channel a subscribe and help her grow. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I would really appreciate it, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Alright, let's get started with today's video. So go ahead and grab your journal and some markers or whatever supplies you would like to use. I have already sketched out my theme, and I'm just going to use this little gold clip to help keep my pages down, and we are going to start out with a little banner. All these doodles are super simple, and all the supplies that I will be using in this video will be linked down below, so be sure to check out the description box if you want to see all the supplies that I'm using. Now for this banner, I'm just making these simple little banner shapes. They're like two lines and a little triangle, and I'm just going to finish that up, and then I'm also going to add confetti all over the page. So some confetti is just little dots and some are like little swirls. And I'm going to add a second banner here at the bottom and the same little triangles and lines, and then sprinkle some more confetti around. And this bullet journal is actually not mine. This is a custom bullet journal that I am making for my friend. So if you want to see the rest of me making all of her bullet journal, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos, because you won't want to miss them. And I will also be doing a flip through of her bullet journal so you can see all of her themes, so you'll be getting a lot more inspiration because you're getting her themes and mine. And if you do subscribe, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you and chat with you guys. And now that I've finished most of the confetti, I'm going to get started on the balloons. So I'm just doing different shades of blue for these, making a circle and coloring that in with my marker. And then I'll add a little triangle at the bottom that the string can come from. And some balloons aren't a full circle, they're just like a half a circle like this one, so that it can look like they are overlapping. And now we are moving on to a little birthday cake. So I'm going to draw the plate first that this is on using the thinner side of my marker to just make two like half circle shapes, and then I'm going to fill that in, and then the bigger spot I will fill in with a lighter gray. Now we are working on the cake, and I'm going to take a brown color and make like a half U shape, and then make some squiggly lines for the drips and color that in, and then do the same thing for the little part of the cake on top, and then we'll color the other part that's uncolored with a pink color for like strawberry frosting or whatever color you want, and you're just going to color in the drips. And now I'm working on some candy, so I'm just going to do some different stripes on the candy and then fill in the other stripes that I didn't do with the lighter pink with the darker pink, and then add a little gray wrapper on the end. Now I'm doing some candles on the cake, just a really light yellow color, so you can't see it super well on the camera, but it's there. And then I'm going to add little orange stripes to those candles. Now I'm working on a bunch of candles that I've scattered all over the page, and I'm going to do orange stripes on them. And now I'm going to work on a party hat. These are super simple to draw. You're just going to do like a triangle with rounded edges and a little line at the bottom, and then add whatever pattern you want. This one I am doing little circles for polka dots, and then I'm going to do like a little fluffy thing on top. But then down here I'm doing a present, which is also super simple to draw. I'm just going to do a square and then add some lines so that it can look like it has ribbon, and then do like a little heart shape on the top for the bow. Okay, I'm finishing up this last present here, just doing a little yellow ribbon on it. They are super easy, just the same little heart and two little lines. And then I'm going to move on to the ice cream cone. So for this, you're going to do like a little circle with little like melty drip things on the side to make it look more realistic. I'm not really sure how to describe that. Sorry if that doesn't make any sense, but anyways, I'm just doing 2 ice cream cones on this page here. One's like a minty color, one's a pink, and then after that we will go ahead and add the little red cherry on top with a little brown stem. Now I'm finishing up the candles by adding little yellow flames and pink inside the blank stripes so that they're orange and pink striped candles. Okay, now I'm just going to do the gray strings on the balloons. These are really simple little lines that just have little swirly things in between. And then we will move on to the ice cream cones, which are super simple, just a little like rounded V shape, and then you're just going to do lines going the different directions. Okay, and now for the banner that says March. Inside of it, you're just going to make a square and then 2 little triangles, color them in, and then you're going to do 2 lines and then another little triangle to make the little ribbon shapes. I'm just stamping March, and that should finish that off. Then I'm just going to go over here, and since her birthday is in March, I'm going to write happy birthday as her quote this month. So I'm just drawing a line around that page just to kind of frame it in. Taking my pink marker, and I'm going to write happy birthday in like faux calligraphy, so I'm just doing cursive and then going back and thickening the downstrokes because I still haven't quite figured out how to do calligraphy. Okay, finished up the cover page. Now we are moving on to the monthly calendar. So I'm taking this darker shade of pink and I'm just going to do the lines. I'm pretty sure these boxes are 6x6 dots, and yeah, just going to make the grid and then we'll continue on. And then I'm going to add a little box up here that she can put all of her birthday wishes in, since her birthday is this month. And as you can see, I like to rotate the journal just to make it easier to make straight lines by pulling the pen towards myself. Then I'm going to make a little gold section with a Crayola Colors of the World marker. I will link all the supplies I'm using down below. Making a little March banner up here just for some decorations, some more confetti, birthday gifts, cakes, and ice creams. I think I added some candles too. So yeah, I'm just decorating the page with a bunch of little birthday doodles, and we'll move on to the next one after I number the calendar. Moving on to the habit tracker page, I'm going to make the same little header, and then I'm going to stamp a bunch of mini calendars so that she can circle the days that she does her habits, and I'm going to leave it up to her to title all of her habits. Now I am moving on to the mood tracker, doing the same header just in pink this time, doing a really simple circle mood tracker, and then I'm just going to split it up into 31 sections, and it's not perfect, but that's okay. And then I'm going to do a little ice cream doodle in the center just for something fun, number all the little sections, and then add the different things at the bottom, the different moods. And then I'm going to move on to the weekly layout, so I like to do different ones. This one's more up and down, then we have the other one that's a bunch of little boxes, just like the title, the events events, and tasks. Here, these are a bunch of bigger boxes, so she has lots of space for this one, and then she has a little to-do list on the side. This one is more small, and then I have a little section at the bottom to write what she did on her birthday, because her birthday is in this week. And then we have the same little one on the other side as we did before, that's more of like a bunch of little squares, and then I wrote a little choose happy over there just for a fun little quote with some more birthday doodles to finish it off. And then right here, she can write what she did on her birthday just to keep track of her fun memories. And that is it for the doodling part of this. Now we're gonna do a quick flip through. So we have her really cute March cover page here with her little happy birthday quote and lots of cute birthday doodles that were super simple to do. And then we have her calendar page with her goals and wish list and cute birthday doodles. And then over here we have her habit tracker and mood tracker, all for different moods she can color in accordingly too. And then we have her weekly layouts. She can have her events and tasks that she wants to do. Here we have her second weekly layout, more big boxes and to-do list. And then over here we have what she did on her birthday and a simple weekly layout and her choose happy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and you'll probably really enjoy this one, so go ahead and watch that and I'll see you in the next one.